Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to enable private chat in AFK Arena. If you want to turn on the private chat in AFK Arena, then the process is super easy. First of all, open up the AFK Arena app on your mobile device and once the game loads, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you do that, in the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you open up the Settings option, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see a Private Messages tab. Toggle the button right next to Private Messages and make sure that it turns green. Right after you do that, you should now be able to chat privately with players. And that's it! You've successfully enabled private chat in AFK Arena, allowing you to have one-on-one conversations with your friends or guild members. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AFK Arena tips and gaming guides. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.